Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their AverMedia AverVision document camera, the BestCH Global AC-DC adapter. Specifically designed to be compatible with models like the VP-1, F15, and VISION F15, this power supply cord aims to be a reliable and safe replacement for your original adapter. One of the standout features of this BestCH adapter is its impressive global compatibility. With a worldwide input voltage range of 100 to 240 VAC at 5060 Hz, it means you can confidently use your AverMedia document camera almost anywhere in the world without worrying about voltage differences. This flexibility is a huge advantage for educators, presenters, or anyone who travels with their equipment. Beyond its versatility, safety is clearly a top priority for this adapter. It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of protection mechanisms designed to safeguard your valuable electronic products. We're talking about overload cutoff, which prevents damage from excessive current, overvoltage cutoff, protecting against harmful power surges, automatic thermal cutoff, which prevents overheating, and crucial short-circuit protection. These features work in tandem to ensure a stable and secure power delivery, giving users peace of mind that their AverMedia camera is well protected from common electrical mishaps. The manufacturer also highlights its voltage consistency, a critical aspect that directly protects your electronic products from destruction. An inconsistent power supply can be detrimental to sensitive electronics, so having an adapter that maintains a steady voltage output is paramount for the longevity and reliable operation of your document camera. This consistency ensures that your AverMedia device receives the precise power it needs, preventing any potential harm from fluctuating electricity. This replacement AC to DC adapter, in its sleek black color, is designed for convenience with a wall mount type, making it easy to integrate into any setup. It's always wise, as the manufacturer advises, to double-check that your specific AverMedia model, such as the VP-1 or F15, is consistent with the listed compatibility to ensure you're getting the correct power supply. The BestCH brand has clearly focused on delivering a robust and secure power solution. In essence, for AverMedia AverVision document camera users, this BestCH Global AC-DC adapter presents itself as a highly capable and secure power supply. Its combination of global input voltage, advanced safety protections, and consistent voltage output makes it an excellent choice for ensuring the uninterrupted and safe operation of your essential presentation equipment. It's built to provide reliable power wherever you need it.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.